There are a couple different ways to represent drawings. So we want to see this object in 3D, right? That's basically what we want to represent. So the first and sort of the easiest way to do a three-dimensional drawing is to tap into a family of drawings called axonometric drawings, right? They're basically taking an object and you're shifting it onto an axis so that you can see all three sides, right? So if we're looking at our cube and we're looking at it, just straight, and all we see is the square, an axonometric drawing shifts it on an axis, so now we can see a little bit more of the object. I'm going to show you how to cheat. The first one that we're going to work on is called an oblique axonometric. So what that does, the cool thing about it is it leaves our square in just the normal face that it's on, but then to see the third dimension, we draw everything else out at a 30-degree angle. So yeah, interrupt anytime. Yeah, so from here, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to really lightly sketch out the angles of my cube. And again, I know it's hard to see, but I'm drawing really lightly. And then that gives me an idea to make sure my cube perspective is a little bit closer. And I did a rectangle again, kind of, I think. So I'm going to try and clean it up just a hair. But then I can go back in and I can darken that up and make sure that I'm darkening in the lines that represent more of a cube shape. And when I talk about that 30-degree angle, man, this is an ugly cube. That's this angle right here. That's coming out at 30 degrees. And there's a couple different types of it. And you see that I didn't use any type of protractors or tools or any of that stuff. This is one of those things you just visually try and kind of make work. You can go to a 30, a 45, or a 60-degree angle on that cube, and it changes the way you're representing the object. The easiest way to go is more of like a 30-degree object.